Aban has been exposed big time once again. Ebusuya, higher Ghana and Sem TV. NDC Aban has been exposed. What was I said then? And he exposed you. Nancy Yana, as a minister for education, copy mu. Ewo parliament, as I say, part need your money church na schools nenya be na diade. When I net teacher nibi, all them send dry teacher from amateur medi. On my love, been here the idea went to you, I saw you next month, you know. Now you tell anybody about today, near my course on actually say. Or the part na sem crab simu say. The last time I school na part nibino was a year last term. You say this term more next to come to exams, no. Part no school they been by. And yes, so boa. No so any correct. Until our friend a student from your money bino. No we saw say part no. One of the last one near be and the busuya. Students in some of the two drano. We yam be show. Our much as a send and some don't money Mahama. At to force and anyhow in a drusu. A good na parliament a kind nano. Ayan Trano Crabia anymore. Arches a part no. The last one near bino. At a no more from Tomoba from 3 dear. I am say pard no Mahama. So I watch the that's our school no. Omunyebi. In some say, and a school culano, at the Tudra, young Konyanko Timbra. Wait, and I play live, our TikTok, a year in there, I don't pay.
No. This time. Somewhere last time you got it.
The last time, the one they shared.
You got some.
Yes.
But this time. Okay. Esther, okay. I wanted to find out something from you. Have you got any get out? There's a boy here, that's why I start you. Have you got any part from her distress? Just tell. No. So when did you get it? Was it last time?
The one they shared.
Was it menstrual part? I'm talking about menstrual part. Have you got some?
When we were
from two. Okay.
That was for girls.
For girls. That was the last time. Okay. Thank you. My friend wanted to know that whether some of you have got some. That's why I called you. Anyway, see you. What do you have now? English. Okay. Hello.
Officer. Ebisa some more kind and one. Me pa job me work she be bisa.
Master bisa, madam.
Officer, at least be me your baby. I can tell you, say a term. He 3 months.
Yeah.
Term sometimes about 3 months. You know.
It's about 4 months.
No, I'm coming. We came early somewhere in September. That was 9th or so. And now we are going to vacate in 18th December. So
September, October, November, 4 months, me boy.
4 months.
Yeah, sometimes. Yes.
4 months. Babucho won't tell me calculation. You hear? The menstrual pad, you know, will be about 10 pieces for the one pad.
And those will be at 12.
No, those here 12. 80. And my girls, most of them at that age, they are heavy bleeders. So they are heavy bleeders.
Even the one that I called, she's somebody who has enough body.
It's not even the body that determines it. More genetics. The fear bleeding. So we use about 3 in a day, 3 or 4 in a day.
I know.
Most of these girls too can go minimum 4 days. It become as much as 7 days. It's 1 pack of pad and so no per month. The normal average girl will use about 2 packs, minimum 1.5 packs. It is the whole term of 4 months. You have 2 or 3. Now we see parents in free fear. Emma sign 2 or 3 out to the fear 4 months. No, what about 10 packs of 4? Even if it's 2 a month, 2, 4, 6, 8. What's here to extra? You think that the parents will come? It will pass in the back of hole. Obi a magic.
But sister, then a part to cry. Once about because here, sister, you know, and I any hour prayer, I know I'm a crampono, what had this year and cry. And then a party, I feel there. I'm about 2 complete. Who can I say that now or lunch in the crowd? And Manu Bebreno, they were not comfortable to even receive it because idea will be a What try say we be hiding the whole kakra. After the party be public a year. Just say oh very bad. Very very bad. Mahama ni me. Just one if you baby benye sika di nku ana ni nyina policies a omo twetwe fam ni lithium ya mo ka nyina eye number ye ni o number ye ni no parliament ni nti enkwasi a policy bia de be ko akopase na MPP there we should learn we esua nyansa pa wo election a ye lose ye ho pa to the sense say ye lose election as ye lose almost all our seats. I don't know me dream one. Mean case
sorry. If MPP can even come and stand very firm again, let me tell you something. You have to institute an office. I'll make sure appointments. We have appointed to be more quicker MCE, GCE, whatever CE, and then ministerial position. The way I almost treating party followers, and yet. Yakobi will be a catcher say, oh no, MPP for no money in Latin. On one body born original executives, or more appoint to me. Which is very bad. Me man to about who be winning. So be young because
former general secretary, when your general secretary see will be office. See what no chance na John Boyd do say ade uni me na I say as we me familiar CEO of a ruling government CEO of a ruling government onim no because ne papa bi ne party fan de bi and classmate bi and ode no share ho onu say wonyina party platform so enye campaign da.
Mahama, you call electricity, managing director, electricity, over UK. Then you could find the whole IC director of a MPP headquarters. Eric, you told me, Onimno. Me make us say me come say CCB say, Fred worry. Me better no. You know one grandmother. So don't worry. This is very bad. This is very bad, MPP.
You ain't done that question what they why now.
Contact
hours no could.
Okay, Ebo Medase. Medase passe.
Na kire se ebusua asem no sanity na mesati asem bi na em11. Could you believe say pad na wo kwa kwaje a e was who parent eko na or sign the signature not on the telephone number edika ho ansana pad no ye dia ma eye akwala na we shocking news amekra no metie no ye ma hime na was like na since when na pad the chance so keke ekoye say e was wo sign bibi ansana the pad na ma ebusuya in some see Ghana and all these things are happening and we don't even have any idea about. We all thought say a pad nature say only call school one nature say bia headmaster and headmistress and the teacher or in charge no we distribute you not knowing that the parents of that ward have to come to the school and sign their signature and also write their telephone number before ward now or school no can receive the sanitary pad. This is very shocking. I never knew about this thing. I never knew. All this while I thought it was just a normal practice. I never knew. I never knew this was what was happening. Sincerely speaking, I never knew this was this is what was happening. I never knew. And I'm very sure you are very, very shocked about these developments because you also never thought say in a country like Ghana say any baby again, but that is Ghana for you. That is where the NDC the government that thrives on lies and propaganda in opposition and in government say ena timemufuo no yebefem, because we always choose to follow propaganda. And honestly, this is something that after I watched this video, I'm even shocked by myself. But Ghana is a country, the people no more my name the bebreno sebi pedro adreno ewo form, and that's the reason why we are where we are today. That is the reason why we are suffering as a country. That is the reason why. Let me know what you also think in the comment section. The comment section is actually open. So what your comment section? Me want to add in the comment section. Ha, you're gonna send it within. That promise.